how to remove links from Twitch profile. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can remove links from Twitch profile. So kindly follow along, right? The first step is for you to log in into your Twitch account, and once you're logged in, move to the bottom left corner where you can see your profile icon, then you click on it. On the profiles page, you can see different options, right? So ensure you select edit profile, which is located by the top right corner of the screen. Now, in order for you to remove links from your Twitch profile, it means that you've added links already, right? So once you're on the profiles page, go to the bios section, which is where the links are usually located. Click on the bio, and then you see the option for you to edit the bio. This way you can erase whichever link that is there. All right, so that is one way. And then if it's a social media link, move to the bottom part where you can see the option manage social media links. Click on it, and then you'll be taken to the social links page. On this page, you'd see all of your social media platforms that have been linked to your Twitch accounts through their link. You'll see it here, so you can just easily remove it once you can find it here as well. You see the option for you to remove it. Click on that, and then the link would be deleted automatically from your Twitch profile page. So this is how to do it. So ensure you subscribe and you like this video. See you in the next tutorial.